One agent doing everything gets confused on complex tasks. The solution is the supervisor pattern. One coordinator, multiple specialists. In our job search agent, we'll have 3 specialist agents. A research agent that searches for job listings. A company analyst that researches each company. A writer agent that creates personalized cover letters. The supervisor's only job is to decide who handles what. Here's how to build this in LangGraph. Each specialist is its own compiled graph, a subgraph. The supervisor node calls the right subgraph based on the current task. LangGraph has a built-in create_react_agent function that creates a simple React agent with a set of tools. Use this for each specialist, pass it the relevant tools, and a system prompt. The supervisor itself uses an LLM to classify the current task and return the name of the next agent to call. Notice the power here. Each specialist has its own state, its own tools, its own system prompt. They're completely independent. You can upgrade one without touching the others. You can add a new specialist without changing existing ones. This is how serious AI systems are built at companies today. And you now know how to build one. Next video, RAG Agent. We add a document reader that understands your resume.